Hello, I am James Sutton and I'm a British English teacher living in Sao Paulo. During the pandemic, I've been writing a new course called Intrinsic 21 English. It's an internal development course for non-native English speakers, made up of 21 workshops for the 21st century. Why intrinsic? Well, this course focuses on learning about intrinsic knowledge. This is a form of internal intelligence that belongs to us naturally. In a sense, it cannot be taught. It can only be learned through experience. For example, humans have an intrinsic ability to learn languages. All children learn to speak their native language fluently. And eventually, they're even able to construct complex sentences, often without ever opening a grammar book. I have been learning languages for over 20 years, and I've been teaching them for the last 10 years in Brazil. Now this might sound strange for an English teacher to say, but I believe that languages cannot be taught. They can only be learnt through experience. Another good example of intrinsic knowledge is meditation. You can read about techniques for meditation in a book or get tips from a teacher, but you can only really know how to meditate through experience. In this course, we'll learn how to access intrinsic knowledge to not only learn skills such as learning languages and meditation, but also to learn how to develop essential characteristics such as patience, purpose, and happiness. Right now, I'm offering a pilot course that will include the first 7 workshops over 7 weeks. In the first workshop is the course introduction, and we'll discuss the best advice you've ever heard. Second workshop is about the human condition and what it means to be human. Third workshop is about the most complex object in the known universe, the human brain. Fourth workshop is about Civilization 21 and the story of humanity in the 21st century, where we'll discuss positive and negative narratives about the future. This one is quite shocking. Workshop 5 is about the mind and the illusion of self. 6, about consciousness, what it is and how it acts as a filter for reality. And workshop 7 is about meditation and how to master your mind. Each workshop lasts 2 hours and happens online via Zoom with me and a small group of 6 students. What is the purpose of this course? Firstly, it's an opportunity for you to practice your English at an advanced level in a real and engaging environment while developing your comprehension, reading, listening, pronunciation and conversation skills. Secondly, it's also an opportunity for you to learn how to access intrinsic knowledge and actively apply it to make a meaningful difference to your life. This new online language school is called School of Duda. The aim is to offer the type of experience, content and community that I wish existed for language learners. If this sounds interesting to you, then I hope you'll join me to help make this a reality. I'm offering a 50% discount for the first pilot course. If you follow the link below to the website, you can learn more about dates and prices. You can also get in touch with me directly if you have any questions about the pilot course. Spaces are limited, so if you'd like to be one of the first 6 students, then do get in touch. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for listening, and I hope to talk to you soon.